how to be successful on Amazon. We had a woman who started from zero, who did $511,000 in just 1 month. And if you don't believe me, here's a screenshot of it right here. So step one is...
In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to start an Amazon FBA business even as a complete beginner. All right, so I'm super excited for today's video. You guys have been asking for Amazon videos. You wanna learn how to start an FBA business, how to make money on Amazon. So I decided to give one of my friends a call. His name is Kevin. He's also a big YouTuber. And I asked him if he'd be willing to come on the channel today and break down his Amazon business. He's got so many success stories under his belt. A lot of his subscribers are doing crazy numbers. So I knew that if I was gonna have someone teach about Amazon, it had to be him. He's gonna show us what tools to use to give us an unfair advantage, and he's gonna show us how to find top selling products. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hop on Kevin's computer. He's gonna break this down for us, and make sure you stay until the end because I've convinced Kevin to actually give us access to a cheat sheet that several of his students have been using to absolutely kill it with their Amazon business, even as complete beginners.
All right guys, welcome to my screen. So this is the first tool and one of the most important tools for being an Amazon seller. What product discovery does, right? From one of the most reputable brands for software anywhere on Amazon, which is Viral Launch. What product discovery does is it allows you to find products that are making a certain amount of money. It looks through all the millions of products on Amazon and it tells you, okay, that product's making, $20,000 a month, and there's only an average of this many reviews. So it lets you find high demand products that there's not much supply on, and then what you do is you go out and you start selling that product. A lot of people don't know and don't realize that most of the sellers on Amazon are actually third-party sellers just like you and me. And so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna look at specific categories. You see these categories right here, arts and crafts, baby, grocery, industrial, scientific, kitchen and dining. Amazon organizes all of their products into specific categories. Some of those we don't wanna sell in though. We don't wanna sell appliances, right? We don't wanna sell toasters. There's too much competition there. We don't wanna sell apps and games. We don't wanna, compete with Nikon for cameras or digital music or gift cards or anything like that. We wanna sell in specific categories, which is why we are looking at these categories right here. These are the categories that I've proven, right? Baby, one of the most profitable. Everybody who has a baby, right? People are not worried about how much things cost. They want the best for their baby. There's always gonna be more babies, and so it's just a beautiful category. Probably the one category I've made the most money in is home and kitchen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna choose these categories. We wanna choose a product that has more than that costs more than $13 for average price. So we're gonna set the minimum here of 13, right? Because 13 is about the cheapest product that you can sell on Amazon and still have a 50% or higher profit margin, which is what I teach, my thousands of students to always look for, at least at 50%. We're gonna look for products that have between $9,000 a month revenue, right, and $16,000 a month revenue. And these are, you can kind of play with these, but what I've proven over, having thousands of people come through my Amazon program and, gone on to become super successful with Amazon is you don't wanna sell products that are doing, $1 million a month. It attracts too much attention from all those negative, kind of corporate or like Chinese or, spammy sellers that are gonna try to take your account down, and they're just gonna do a lot of things you don't want to deal with. What I like to do, instead of finding one product that's doing $1 million a month, I would find 100 products that are doing, $10,000 a month. And that way you can, you can grow and become a very large seller and start making a very significant amount of money with Amazon, but not deal with all of the kind of negative parts of Amazon. So what we're going to do is we're going to press show keywords here. And now Viral Launch is going to literally show us products that have a specific amount of revenue. So you can see that this car humidifier is making almost $10,000 every single month with close to $7,000 profit. We see a swing shelf, right? Vape mod batteries. So people are selling, vape pen batteries. CBD soft gels, acetaminophen, Benoit Kegel balls, car retainer clips. Let's look at this one, see? So what I like to do is just open up some of these, right? This is called product research. You're looking for products that have, a healthy amount of revenue and have a low amount of average reviews, right? Because one of the last things that we set here is we want our average review count for the overall niche, right? For whatever the products are. We want the average review count of products on page 1 to be less than 100, because one of the hardest parts about being an Amazon seller is starting to accumulate those difficult to get actual reviews. And so what we're looking at here is a bunch of different products: golden party plates, under eye gel pad, right? Let's look at this one. It's kind of random. Artificial succulents in bulk, right? So like that's crazy, like artificial succulent plants in bulk. And then once we kind of like open this up, we can see that these guys have 20 reviews, right? 115, 58, 60. Those are types of numbers that we can compete with. Like if you look at like the Amazon Echo, for example, it has like 50,000 reviews. Like you'll never catch up to that. It's not even worth trying to sell in a product niche that has, you know, that many reviews. So what I like to look for is, you know, 58, that's perfect. 60, perfect. 90, perfect. 12, even better, right? So this is definitely a niche that we would look into. Once you're on a specific product page, right, with all of these different products showing, what I like to do is run the Chrome extension, right? Same company, viral launch. They have a Chrome extension. You can see it right here. They have a Chrome extension called Market Intelligence, and now we can see some even, you know, further details. So we can see these guys are doing $28,000 per month. These fake succulent plants are literally selling $28,530 per month, right, and have 115 reviews, or 18,000 with 58 reviews, or 13,000 with 62 reviews. So this is definitely a product that we would want to look closer into, because, you know, how much could it possibly cost to buy these artificial plastic succulent plants? Like I would guess that these cost maybe $1 or $2, $3 max, and they're selling them for $22.99, right? And where people actually buy these products is on a website called Alibaba. So Alibaba is a massive company, right? A multi-billion-dollar company, and they kind of are the index. They're kind of like the Google for manufacturers in China. You can find anything here. iPhones are made here. Everything you could possibly imagine is made from an Alibaba seller. So all we would do is, for example, we could take one of these. So artificial succulents. So we would just type in artificial succulent plants, and we can see that it actually shows us here. Right, so here's $4, but this is what they advertise. You can usually talk them down to about 50% of this price. And so my estimate, you know, between $1 and $3 was actually pretty close to reality. We see 15 cents to $1 a piece, right? So a lot of really good stuff. So if you're getting these for 15 cents to $1, and then you're selling them for, you know, 23, 27, you know, that's you're making, you know, 25 times more than it costs you to actually sell it. So that's the beauty of Amazon, and that's why, you know, all of these sellers that are making $20,000 a month are really kind of like raking in the money. So that is how you use product research tool. So I would look through all of these. Brava jet pads, no idea what that is. Baby shower for boy, right? So that's probably like decorations for maybe like a boy baby shower. Beeswax wraps. You know, there's all different types of stuff that you can look at. Eco party plates, like things you'd never think of. There's literally millions of products on Amazon. I promise you there is always something that you would want to look at. So the next tool that we're going to talk about, something that's really important, and I did also tell Paul that I would have something for you. So we did go ahead and make this cheat sheet available just for you guys, just for Paul James, following, because, you know, him and I are friends. So we put together this big cheat sheet that has everything that you could possibly need to actually be successful on Amazon. Like you can see, this is like really like long. We spent a long time on this. Everything that you possibly need to be successful is in this cheat sheet, and we are going to share it with you guys in a free training that Paul is going to announce at the end of this video. So definitely make sure you do hang around, and we will give you, you know, this very comprehensive kind of cheat sheet that is everything you need to know about how to be successful on Amazon, because most people don't believe it's possible to be successful on Amazon. But we had a woman in my course who started from zero, who did $511,000 in just 1 month. And if you don't believe me, here's a screenshot of it right here. Her name is Oksana. She's an amazing person, and she's so hardworking, and I'm so proud of her for making that. But let's get back into this, guys. I'm just trying to prove to you that Amazon is possible, and thousands of people are making hundreds of millions of dollars every single day. So you can really, you know, you have two choices. You can either ignore it and make nothing, or you can, you know, jump in and take your piece of the pie. So let's take an example of something. Let's use the artificial succulents, right? So what Zon Keywords does is it allows you to actually find the keywords that are converting. Like, so you want to see, like for artificial plants, right? I bet artificial plants is like the main keyword. So we're going to type in artificial plants here and let Zon Keywords kind of do its thing. And so what we're going to see is all of the different words that artificial plants, right? The products that are ranking for artificial plants are also ranking for. So we see that there's a ton of different words here because not everyone who's looking for artificial succulents is typing into Amazon artificial succulents. They're typing in small decorative plants, artificial, right? Potted artificial plants, outdoor artificial plants, office plants, artificial, all these different ways to say the same thing. And this is the unfair advantage, guys. Zon Keywords is the unfair advantage because most people don't understand that there are tools like this that allow you to see what real buyers are typing into the Amazon search bar in this way. And so using Zon Keywords is really an unfair advantage that you guys are going to have if you decide you want to sell on Amazon, and that all of my students and followers have as well if they want to sell on Amazon. So we see indoor plants. We can see the estimated monthly search volume, artificial plants, succulents, succulent, mantle decor, snake plant, right? Like I would never think that. Fake plants for decoration. Like I might actually type that in. Orchid, all these different things, right? And so what you're able to do with this is you can use these keywords that real people are typing into Amazon. You can use these keywords in your title, in your listing, right? You can advertise, on Amazon PPC, which we're going to talk about in a second. Amazon PPC is basically the marketing platform that Amazon uses. So like if we go to actual Amazon.com here and we type in artificial plants, right? What we're gonna see is there's sponsored results. See sponsored right here, sponsored. It's because people are literally paying, like, so if I clicked on this, Amazon would charge this seller like $1 for, their ad being shown, and a real customer clicking on their actual listing, right? They're gonna charge them $1. So it's just like all other ad auctions. And so I would, tell Amazon, hey, Amazon, I'm willing to pay you $1. Every time somebody clicks on my product, right, I'll give you $1. And so that's how Amazon PPC works, but most people have no idea how to find the most profitable keywords. They just put artificial plants and that's all, right? But they don't realize that there's indoor plants, right? Mantle decor, artificial tree, shelf decor, flower arrangements, right? Modern farmhouse decor, all these words that real people are typing in thousands of times a month on Amazon. People miss those because they didn't understand how it actually works and having the unfair advantage of Zon Keywords, right? So step one is find products to sell on Amazon using Viral Launch. And what I like to look for is products that are above $13, between like $9,000 and $16,000 in revenue per month, with less than an average of 100 reviews, right? So you can really compete right out of the gate. And then you can find those products on Alibaba.com, right? Multi-billion-dollar company. Once you found the products, all you have to do is find the most profitable keywords. And the way to do that is with Zon Keywords, right? And then the last step in the equation, right, is getting your product to page one. This is the number one thing that most people don't know, and this is the number one reason why people fail on Amazon. If you know just this one thing, I promise you, you can make hundreds of thousands of dollars or more on Amazon, even as a complete beginner. This is how the A9 algorithm works. And what the A9 algorithm does is it's Amazon's algorithm that ranks all different products on Amazon, the millions of different products. The A9 algorithm ranks all of them. There has to be a way that Amazon can put, some type of organization into the chaos. There's millions of products. How do you choose how to rank all of them? And that is when Amazon's A9 algorithm comes into play, right? So most people don't realize, think about it for yourself. If you're looking for a product on Amazon, you see a nice looking product for a reasonable price, right? You buy it. Nobody scrolls all the way down and goes to page 2, right? There's 400 pages. Nobody goes to page 2. That just does not happen. People buy things off page 1. And so the number one reason that most people fail when they're first starting out is they don't realize that you have to be on page 1 for your best keywords, right? These are your best keywords. Most people don't realize how to find them. And then you have to be on page 1 to actually get that visibility from all of the hundreds of thousands or millions and multiple millions of people searching on Amazon. You have to be there on page 1. And so how do you do that, right? How do you get your product to page 1? Well, that's when Page Oneify comes into play. Page Oneify is an amazing service that will literally actually get your product ranked to page 1 for any keyword that you want, right? Because how A9 works, and it is complicated, but I'm gonna summarize it as simply as I can. Basically how it works in the simplest sense is sales velocity, right? So let's say that this person who's ranked #1 organically, right? These are all ads, ranked #1 organically for the term artificial plants, right? So artificial plants, this is the #1 organically ranking product. And so what we know is, or what we could guess is, let's say that this product's selling 10 units per day, right? So what we would have to do to get ahead of it for that term is we would have to sell 11 units per day. We have to sell more than this product is selling, because Amazon's a business. They want to rank products that are making them the most money, right? So we would have to sell 11 units per day for 7 days, and Page Oneify will find us, 11 people per day for 7 days, which is how long it takes to rank, right? It's going to find us 77 people to actually buy our product, and then our product is going to rank ahead of this #1 product. And when you have the most visibility and you have a nice looking listing and you have your keywords optimized, that is when you start to make tens of thousands of dollars with Amazon. And so obviously we can't go over every single thing in just one video, but Paul, negotiates hard, and he wanted me to give you guys something completely for free that you can check out. So if you guys want this cheat sheet that you can see right here is 49 pages, how anybody anywhere can be successful on Amazon, exact details about how to find your products, everything that you need to know is in this one cheat sheet. All you have to do is listen to what Paul says and join our free training, and we are going to be sending this cheat sheet to every single one of you guys. And just trust me when I tell you, right? People like Ben or Matt or Oksana, right? These are people who started with absolutely no experience, just like you and me, right? Watching a YouTube video and deciding to jump in. So make sure you join our completely free training. At least grab your free cheat sheet, and then who knows? Maybe in a couple months from now, you're gonna join the thousands of people who are making hundreds of millions of dollars on Amazon, even if they were complete beginners.
Wow, that was awesome. Thanks, Kevin. I'm so excited for you guys because now you have everything you need. But of course, he's giving access to that cheat sheet. He's gonna let us access his free training as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a link to that in the description. I've asked him to put this together, and I'm so excited that he agreed to do it. So go check that out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a like on it and subscribe, turn your notifications on so that you get notified of the next video when I release it. Until next time, guys, I am Paul James. Peace out.